While most people find the layovers boring, I actually enjoy them. And here's the reason why. With the priority pass, I get access to some of the best lounges around the world, offering amazing food, comfy sitting, and whatnot. Some of the lounges are so good they feel like a five-star hotel. But not all of them. Some are tiny with barely anything to eat. In this video, I'll show you the best and worst priority pass lounges I've been to and how you can use them too. Let's go. Why I love priority pass. Airports can be exhausting, but with priority pass, I get to relax in lounge instead of sitting at the gate. There is free Wi-Fi, comfortable sitting, and sometimes even a nap room. It makes long trips much easier. Now let me show you some of the best lounges I have visited and a few that weren't so great. Bengaluru Airport Lounge is one of the best actually. This lounge is one of my favorites. The design is beautiful, the food is amazing, and there is a mix of Indian and international dishes. And everything is fresh. The seating is comfortable and it does not feel too crowded. Honestly, this lounge makes waiting for flights a pleasure. By the way, the lounge I mentioned is inside Terminal 2 of Kempegowda International Airport. This terminal recently became the first in India to receive a 5-star rating from Skytrax. And honestly, you can feel the difference. The design, the greenery, the vibe, it's just next level. Bangkok Airport Lounge. Amazing food. Bangkok's Priority Pass Lounge is another one I absolutely loved. The food selection was incredible, fresh Thai dishes, snacks, and desserts. The space was large, well designed, and super relaxing. If you ever have a layover in Bangkok, this lounge is a must visit. Then comes Singapore's Changi Airport. Most famous airports of all. So many options. Singapore is on another level when it comes to lounges. There is not just one, but multiple lounges to choose from. Some even have nap rooms and showers. Whether you want snacks, full meals, or just a quiet place to work, Changi's lounges are simply amazing and have got it all. At one time, I had spent about 18 hours on the airport, which was all amazing. Changi Airport was actually the first place where I tried using lounge showers, and wow, they were amazing. Super clean, spacious, and really well designed. After a long flight, it felt so refreshing. Then comes Muscat Airport Lounge. A hidden gem, Muscat's lounge was a big surprise. It felt like a luxury hotel. The sitting areas were huge, the food was great, and the atmosphere was super relaxing. If you ever have a stopover in Muscat, you will love this lounge. The next segment, the lounges that disappointed me. Priority pass lounges in the US, too small and crowded. I expected lounges in the US to be simply amazing, but they were the smallest I've seen. The food options were very basic, just some crackers, soup, and maybe a few sandwiches. Many were overcrowded too, and finding a seat was difficult. Compared to Bengaluru or Bangkok, these lounges were really disappointing. How you can get priority pass? It comes with some travel credit cards, or you can buy a membership directly. If you travel even a few times a year, it's totally worth it. You get access to over 1,300 lounges worldwide and it makes your trip much more comfortable. I've added the link below if you want to check it out. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments which airport lounge is your favorite. See you in the next one.